Alright, this is the video for your s'mores lab. Again, the requirement for you receiving your ingredients for the s'more at the end is that I have this complete, correct, and not cheated. And believe me when I tell you, I'll know if you cheated. Alright, so you're going to need your lab, something to write with, a scale. And at your table, there should be 2 graham cracker squares, a marshmallow, and some chocolate. A lot of people have touched these, so don't eat them because I don't want you to get sick. These are for weighing purposes only. You will get fresh ones at the end, okay? So the first thing that you should do is write your name on the lab, then read through the instructions, okay? Gives you a formula for the graham crackers. It tells you what each food element is. You're going to write me a balanced equation for the creation of a s'more. Then you're going to do a little bit of math. You're going to tell me how many s'mores you could make with this many graham crackers. You're going to tell me a theoretical yield in moles of s'mores. It tells you up here how much a mole of s'more is. So based on these ingredients that you're given, how many moles can you make? Which reactants are left over, if there's any? And which reactants are the limiting reactants, and then the reaction is unable to continue because there's not enough. Then on the back here is when your scale is going to come in. If your scale has the lids on it, please make sure you take them off. It has 2. It has a top one, and then it has a second one. So then you're going to turn on your scale. You're going to make sure it's in grams. You're going to make sure it says 000. If it doesn't, you're going to press tare to make it 00. Then you're going to weigh your ingredients. So we're going to take our marshmallow and we're going to weigh it and see how many grams that is. And then you're going to record it on your table here. So it tells you we're figuring out the molar mass. So 1 mole of chocolate is 1 rectangle of chocolate. 1 mole of marshmallow is 1 marshmallow, and 1 mole of graham cracker is the graham cracker square. Okay, so this would be our mole of marshmallow. Then you're going to take out your graham cracker, you're going to weigh it, and then you're going to write down the mass. Then you're going to take the chocolate. And now remember, 1 mole is 1 rectangle. So you're just going to take 1 rectangle of chocolate. Okay. Then you're going to put it on there. You're going to weigh it, and then you're going to write it down. Okay. And then you're going to calculate the molar mass of your s'more. And then you're going to answer these 3 questions. Well, 4th question is to highlight. So you need to highlight the products and the reactants in the colors that I have told you. Number 5, you're going to figure out how many s'mores can be made from 100 grams of each food element. So if you had 100 grams of each of these, how many s'mores could you make? What is the percent composition from the total reaction in number 5? And then what's the mass of all the s'mores together that you made in number 5? Then you're done. You bring me the paper. I give you stuff to make s'mores.